Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Instagram and confirming you're on the right account. Once done, go straight to the Messages inbox by tapping the paper plane or Messages icon. You don't need to change global settings yet. Instead, scan the chat list for muted indicators like crossed-out speaker icons or grade names. Make sure to toggle between primary and general tabs to reveal all message threads. If you see lower priority threads, you're in the right place to identify muted conversations. You now inspect each suspect thread more closely. Open a chat and tap the name at the top to view its settings. Muted chats will show muted or disabled message notifications. Also check the three-line menu in the chat for a direct mute toggle. Once done, review message requests and hidden words under settings to ensure messages weren't filtered instead of muted. This step explains why muted threads stop notifying you and where Instagram keeps those controls. To finish, unmute the conversation by opening the chat, tapping the profile header, and switching off mute messages or mute notifications. Once you've done that, send a test message or have the other person send one to confirm alerts return. If notifications still fail, make sure Instagram has notification permission in your phone settings, then restart the app. As a troubleshooting tip, if muting persists, log out and back in or reinstall Instagram. This often clears cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.